Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. I tried it because everyone kept talking about it, and wow, it actually lives up to the hype. It's simple, practical, and feels like something twice its price. If you're curious, check the link in the description. You'll see why everyone's talking about it.
Yo, everyone's been talking about this, and now I know why. Everyone's hyped about this, and I was curious too. Turns out, it's totally worth it. Great quality, simple to use, and the results are exactly what you'd hope for. Click the link in the description before it's gone. You'll thank me later.
Hold up! You gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. I've tried a bunch of products like this before, but this one hits different. It's efficient, simple, and feels next level compared to others. Don't wait too long. It's getting tons of attention and might run out soon. Links below. Hold up! You gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately.